Hello viewers, today we are going to see how to make a pancake. It's very a simple recipe and tasty. Ingredients are salt, little mineral water, 280 ml of milk, 160 gram all-purpose flour and 2 eggs and Nutella for 2 pancakes. These are the ingredients. Take a big bowl, add 2 eggs, stir it well until both mixed up. Then add the milk. Stir it until both mixed up again. Then add the flour. Stir it well. Then add a little pinch of salt. Then add little mineral water. Heat the pan. Pour the batter. Make it thin. Spread little butter. Make it in low flame or middle flame. Turn it up. Take it in a separate plate and spread the Nutella. Nutella, it's a kid's favorite, so kids like this pancake most. With this measurement of batter, you can make until 5 to 6 pancakes. Now the pancake is ready. I hope you're enjoying watching this video. Please try it at your home and give the comments. Thank you.